Hi all, welcome back. Today we are differentiating benzyl, benzyl, benzo and benzoyl. So in benzyl, you can see there is a benzene ring which is attached to a carbon and that carbon should have two hydrogen. Then it is known as a benzyl. So for example, if I'll put chlorine here, it is known as benzyl chloride. It is known as benzyl chloride. Okay. Now, let's take the second one, benzyl. So, in benzyl, the carbon has only one hydrogen and the other two linking groups are free. So, I can put two chlorine here. So, for example, I am putting two chlorine. It is known as a benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Okay. So, how you are going to differentiate? आप कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे कि बेंजाइल के पास दो हाइड्रोजन है और बेंजल के पास सिर्फ एक हाइड्रोजन है. बेंजो बेंजो के पास कोई भी हाइड्रोजन नहीं है. बेंजो के पास कोई भी हाइड्रोजन नहीं है तो आप यहाँ पे क्लोरीन अगर डाल देते हैं सो इट इज नोन एज अ बेंजो क्लोराइड. इट इज नोन एज अ बेंजो क्लोराइड. ओके. Now let's come to the benzoyl. Benzoyl means if the benzene which is attached to carbon उस वो अगर कार्बोनिल है C डबल बॉन्ड O है और उसके साथ X है so this is known as a benzoyl halide. Benzoyl halide. अगर यहाँ क्लोरीन होता तो मैं इसको क्या बोलती benzoyl chloride. अब थोड़े एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे कार्बन के पास टू हाइड्रोजन है. मैंने बोला था अगर दो हाइड्रोजन है देयर इज अ टू हाइड्रोजन्स इज नोन एज अ बेंजाइल. So this is known as a benzyl और ये क्या है अल्कोहल. So it is known as benzyl alcohol. Okay. Now the carbon has one hydrogen here. So and the group you can see is an aldehyde group. This is known as benzyl aldehyde. या इसको बोलेंगे हम benzyl aldehyde. And the last one, the carbon, all the three valencies, no hydrogens are there. So this is an acid group, carboxylic acid. So this is known as benzo. Benzo means there is no hydrogen. So benzoic acid. Correct? Benzoic acid.